We are kicking things off with massive market movers. AI star ARM Holdings is trading near record highs, leading 14 stocks to the best lists today. This powerhouse technology giant is surging, climbing nearly 3%, and we dive into why this move is shaking up the entire tech landscape right now. Down what this means for the future of semiconductor design and ARM's ambitious new strategy. And finally, we look at the bottom line. ARM Holdings shares are soaring, climbing over 2.5%, proving that investor confidence is high in this tech giant. Don't miss a second of this action and stay locked in with us for all the breaking news you need. In a cautious trading environment on Monday, several stocks demonstrated significant strength, with AI leader ARM Holdings, ARM, leading the charge and securing the top spot on investor lists. The market saw mixed results, as major indexes closed with the Dow Jones experiencing a gain while the Nasdaq registered a slight decline. However, the standout performer was ARM Holdings, which climbed nearly 3%. Other notable movers included brokerage Virtu Financial, VIRT, and internet networking firm F5 Inc. FFIV, both of which surged to record highs. This performance highlights a strong investor focus on artificial intelligence and related technology sectors amidst broader market uncertainty. The St. Louis Cardinals are signaling a potential resurgence in their pitching depth, focusing on developing young talent, a theme reminiscent of the era under John Mozeliak. While the team has seen some recent struggles in its pipeline, a specific prospect, Jurrangelo Cijntje, has been highlighted as a promising arm. Cijntje recently impressed with a 10-strikeout performance in his latest outing, showcasing the raw talent the organization is cultivating. However, Cijntje's season has presented mixed results, recording a 6.06 ERA across 8 starts. Despite this, his underlying metrics suggest potential, and his dual-arm capability, offering 90-plus mph velocity from both sides and a plus slider, makes him a highly coveted asset for development. Organizational strategy has emphasized developing Cijntje as a right-handed pitcher, aligning with President of Baseball Operations Chaim Bloom's belief in the right arm. He is currently positioned as a developing piece, though his immediate promotion prospects remain uncertain, and he is still relatively young for AA standards. This focus on young pitching comes as the Cardinals look to address sputtering pipeline issues, following the recent release of Zach Showalter and setbacks for other prospects like Quinn Matthews and Tink Hence. For St. Louis to achieve long-term competitiveness, the path forward appears to involve refining the talent they possess, with Cijntje representing a high-ceiling arm that the organization hopes to turn into a major league success story. ARM is facing an antitrust investigation by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission, according to reports from Bloomberg. The probe was reportedly initiated in early 2026 after ARM announced plans to begin engineering its own processors. The Federal Trade Commission is currently examining the company's actions in relation to this development, focusing on antitrust concerns. The investigation centers on whether ARM's move to design its own chips violates antitrust regulations. ARM Holdings shares are experiencing a significant surge, with the stock climbing by 2.74%. This upward movement reflects strong market sentiment surrounding the company. The information regarding these stock prices is based on the afternoon closing prices recorded on May 16, 2026. This analysis was featured in a video published on May 18, 2026, prompting investor interest regarding potential investment opportunities in ARM holdings.